Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned boats here. This is a 2016 Mastercraft X30. So this boat's 23 feet in length and also comes with this trailer. So we have the exterior with the metallic blue metal flake and the black metal flake that really pops when you can put this in the sun. We do have the stainless steel rub rail and flip up cleats all around the boat here. And as we walk down the side of the boat, you can see our tower up here, and we have our board racks. And then this does have the Gen 2 surf system on here. You can see the tabs right here. That's great for all your wakeboarding and wake surfing on the lakes. Really big swim platform here to get on and off the boat. This is powered by a 400 horsepower Ilmor. So let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Welcome inside this beautiful Mastercraft X30. So starting back here on the transom, we have a nice entryway into the boat. Sea decking here, and then both starboard and port. A lot of space for entertainment on here with the wraparound U-shaped seating. And then we have a cushion right here that does fold back into place so you can sit back, relax, and watch what's going on behind the boat. This is powered by GL Audio, so we have 2 speakers up here, a tow point for all your wakeboarding. And then we have your board racks here that do swivel and adjust. This boat does have a bimini top that opens up for plenty of sun protection. And if you want to store this underneath a lift or an area, you can actually pop these out and the tower folds down. And then making our way inside the boat, we have a lot of storage on here on either side, as well as a built-in trash can. More storage over here. This boat does have a cover for it as well. And then this seat just lifts right up, and the bow filler cushion is down there right now. Great ergonomics on this boat and visibility. We do have our recessed glove box over here. And then at the helm, we have our bucket seat with the flip up bolster, our ski mirror, and then all of our tacks and gauges. And this is where you're going to be able to adjust all your wave shape, your ballast and controls. Everything is very accessible up here at the helm. This flooring is very comfortable. You can actually peel it up, take it out and clean underneath. And then making our way into the bow on some of those cold mornings here in Minnesota. We do have our door dam right here that closes with the windshield, and it's going to protect you from some of the elements. And then up in the bow, we do have our traditional bow up here with seating on either side. And then we have a spot here for our anchor, and then also a built-in cooler underneath this cushion. So again, 2016 Mastercraft X30, 23 feet in length. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to stop on by, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.